Hi, it's Dawn Billings, creator of The Capables. Elizabeth and Mason want to say hi, and we're here to share how to teach your child to dream. Inside of each capable is the dream heart that says believe, and it has a pocket on the back where your children can dream the greatest dreams and fold them up, stick them in the pocket, and then the heart lives inside of their capable. Why is it important to teach your children to dream? Because dreams lead us forward. They literally determine our present, because what we want in the future helps us understand what we need to do today in order to get where we want to go. There's no dream too big for a child. I don't care if they want to be a rocket scientist, the president, they want to develop a cure for cancer. Any dream that they can come up with is a great dream. Now, once they've developed their dream and you've written it down for them and they've put it in their dream heart, now when they misbehave and they do something that is really incongruent with their dream, you don't have to yell or get mad or get all worked up. What you need to do is go to the capable, take out their dream heart, take out their dream, and read it to them. So, you want to be an astronaut. Well, do you know any astronauts that are hitting their brothers in the head with a truck? This is a great opportunity for children to be able to think about their actions. Then you ask them, do we need to change your dream? Or do you need to modify your behavior? Children as early as 3 years old know what modify their behavior means. And 98% of the time, they will choose to modify their behavior. But they will make that choice on their own. It's not something you're demanding, controlling, or dominating them to do. It's something that they consciously are choosing to do. When you have an opportunity to work with your child over and over, developing a habit of them choosing self-control, for them choosing to keep their dreams strong, for them choosing to modify their behavior, you have made the job of parenting completely delicious. You've taken all of the stress and anger out and replaced it with hope, prosperity, opportunity, and options. There's nothing better than that. So, when you want your child to dream big, use the capable dream heart to help all of their dreams come true.